Thanks for ordering from the Naughty Noodle. In this video, we will be showing you just how quick and easy it is to make your Naughty Noodle meal kit at home. Today we were making the Manicotti Take and Sauté kit. Your kit will include all your necessary ingredients to make it. To start, set your pan on the stove at medium-low heat. Combine your oil, garlic, meat and veggies in the pan until thoroughly heated. This should really only take 1 to 2 minutes. Once warm, turn off the heat and divide the ingredients in the pan into 4 piles and top with your mozzarella, and if included in your kit, half of your feta or gorgonzola cheese. If your kit came with marinara sauce, simply heat in the microwave for 45 seconds, stir, and return to the microwave for 45 more seconds to reheat. Cover and set aside until ready to plate. If your kit came with Alfredo sauce, you can heat it either in a pan or in the microwave. If you choose to microwave it, heat in the microwave-safe bowl on high for 1 minute and 45 seconds, opening and stirring in 20-second intervals. If heating it in another pan, heat the Alfredo sauce over low heat, stirring constantly until smooth and warm. Do not bring this to a boil. If the sauce starts to separate, reduce the heat and add tablespoons of heavy cream, half and half, or whole milk, and stir briskly to recombine. Once you are ready to plate, gently place the 2 crepes on each plate, slightly overlapping each other. Pour some of your sauce on the crepes, then place your warmed meat, veg, and mozzarella mixture on top of that. Pour more of the sauce on top of the crepes and top with the remainder of your cheese. And that's it! We hope you enjoy your made-at-home meal kit. If so, we'd really love it if you left us a review. You can also like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for updates and to share your finished products with us. Again, thank you for ordering from the Naughty Noodle. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and stay naughty.